Tell me a bit about this car. I guess it's a 1960s vintage.
It's a 65 model.
Yeah.
It's the Super Sport. It's the last of the Flaminias. It's got a 2.8 V6.
Yes.
3 dual throat carbies. All disc brakes. Inboard at the back. It's got a transaxle. And it's like clutch and transaxle mounted at the back of the car.
Right.
And the body's by Zagato. Back in the day, Lancia used to send the floor pan. They made the sedan in the factory. They sent the floor pan and mechanicals to different coach builders.
Yep.
The Touring, Pininfarina made one, Touring made one, and Zagato. So I think this car, though, has a steel framework under the aluminium body.
As I say, it's an alloy body, so where the Pininfarinas were steel bodies, I guess.
Pininfarina was steel.
Yeah.
They looked like a two-door sedan. The Touring Superleggera, they were two-seaters. They were similar to the Maserati 3500. And Touring also made a convertible as well.
You've got a few of these.
4 Flaminias.
4, and one was Malcolm Fraser.
The sedan, I've got a sedan, that was Fraser's, yep. We're just running it in. I've done about 5,000. We've got it going in March, I think. We've been to Canberra and up to Queensland.
Okay. And is it a chance to have a look under the engine bay? Wow, it's just impeccable. How long have you had it?
46 years. It's been sitting in the corner in the shed.
Yeah. But I mean, you've got other cars that you've taken.
No, I didn't have enough money to restore it.
Yeah.
I still didn't when I started.
Ross, I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
All the best.